Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by importing the emoji you'll use. Open your project and import a PNG, SVG export, or screen-captured system emoji. You can also copy-paste from an emoji picker. Once imported, drag the asset to a new video track above your clip and position it at the playhead. Make sure the sequence resolution matches the final export so the emoji scale is predictable. If using SVG, convert to PNG with transparent background, first to preserve edges. Now you'll place and animate the emoji. Select the emoji clip, open Effect Controls, then keyframe position and scale at the start and end points. You can add rotation for flair. Once done, change the anchor point with the motion or transform effect to pivot from a corner if desired. Make sure to right-click keyframes to choose Bezier or Ease Out for smooth motion. Also consider duplicating the layer, offsetting it by a few frames, and lowering opacity to create a subtle motion trail. Finish by matching the emoji to the scene and exporting. Use Lumetri color to tweak hue and exposure, or change the clip's opacity, blend mode to screen, or overlay to integrate it. If you need combined transforms or timing tweaks, nest the emoji clip and animate the nest for cleaner keyframe management. When exporting, render previews to check motion. If the emoji looks pixelated, make sure high-quality scaling is enabled. Replace with a higher-res PNG, or import a vector-exported PNG to preserve sharp edges.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.